Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Just a quick video now on an Audi RS5 2019. Fitted a Starline i96 Pro with push sequence disarm and Bluetooth authorization within a controlled range, not like some of these systems where you have to turn the app on and off with these canvas immobilisers. So all you have to do on this particular vehicle, foot on the brake, start, wait for a melody, select a gear. There's our melody, select a gear, drive away. Okay, simple, straightforward to use. Okay, if we want to put it in valet mode, taking it for a car wash or a service, just go into the app, Bluetooth on, within range, put your finger on the key, hold it till it goes to amber. When it goes to amber, release. There's our two bleeps. If you notice, as soon as I turn on the start button, no melody, start the car, place it into gear. Okay, let's just confirm that. I'll show you quickly. We're going to place it, should I say turn Bluetooth off? We'll try again now. Obviously Bluetooth is now off, assuming there's no authorization. Start the vehicle, select a gear. Okay, place it into gear, drive away. Okay, now we're going to show you how it immobilizes. So Bluetooth back on, out of valet mode, hold till it goes back to green, release, two bleeps. There you go, system is now on. If you turn on start button, you'll hear disarm melody. There you go. But we're going to turn off Bluetooth. I'm going to show you how it immobilizes. Okay, Bluetooth is now off. Obviously it thinks that the phone is not in the vehicle. Someone's grabbed the key, cloned the key, jumped in, started it, thinks they're away, places it into gear, vehicle shuts down. Okay, simple, straightforward. Does another attempt, place it into gear, cuts out. There you go. Tries to start it one more time. It will only give you 3 attempts. Okay, place it into gear, then it cuts out, and obviously if I start it again it just won't start. Okay, so let's just turn the Bluetooth back on. It's paired within range, as you can see. Start the vehicle up, melody, drive away, select a gear. There you go. If I didn't have the phone on me and I wanted to use a push sequence, i.e. the battery had gone flat, we can use a push sequence. On here I've just done one button just for a basic video. The reason why I do that generally on all my videos is on the install, I make sure I don't forget. Okay, so start button on, or you can start the vehicle, but I'm just going to turn the start button on so you can hear the disarm melody. Insert our code, wait for our melody. There you go, foot on the brake and select a gear. I mean, you can actually start it, put your push sequence in, hear the melody and select a gear. Also, what we're getting a lot of is customers are taking the car for a service or a car wash. Oops, I forgot to put it in valet mode. They think they can only do it with the phone, but you can't. You can actually do it with a push sequence. So I'm just going to show you how that's done. Okay, first of all, start button on. Pass your authorization so it knows it's you. Receive our disarm melody. There you go. Then hit one of the buttons that you on the network that you've used for the code 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cycle the start button off and back on. You get 2 bleeps. There you go. So Bluetooth is on, as you can see on my phone. If I turn the start button off, give it 10 seconds, you'll see I'll be able to start it and just select a gear, and you'll see that the system is actually off. Okay, it's not speed or distance dependent. You put it in valet mode and you take it out. Just to show you it's in valet mode. Put it in gear, hence valet mode. Okay, when you get the vehicle back, turn the start button on, just basically the push sequence. There's our double bleep out of valet mode. Give it 10 seconds, wait for it to set. I'm just going to show you that obviously it's protected again and Bluetooth is off on the phone. Okay, so just bear with me a second. Should be about 10 seconds. Start the vehicle up. They've cloned your key, they've jumped in, they put it in gear. There you go, vehicle cuts out. Okay, as I said, this is a Starline i96 Pro with additional immobilisation. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. This is the Audi RS5 2019. If you want to give us a call, 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you very much for your patience and watching. Bye-bye.